How to use our flags. Remove flag carefully. Find the right chapter in your far aim. Now tab your far aim by attaching only the part of the flag without print on it to the page. Fold the flag over, attaching the printed parts together. Use the pre-cut line when folding the flag. The print on the flag is now visible from both sides. Repeat the process until all flags are used or while you're studying. And don't worry if you make a mistake. Our flags are easily removable and can be reattached. Now start tabbing, and with our help, push first